Hello friends, in this video I am going to review Temple Run 2 game, which is now released for Android phones as well. It has been released yesterday itself, but I received a fresh new update for this Temple Run 2 game. That means if you have already downloaded this game earlier on your Android, that is Temple Run 2 on your Android phone, then you must update it today. There might be certain glitch in the first release of Temple Run 2. So let's see what's new in this game. You can see the controls are as usual like earlier. We have to jump, we have to slide down, we have to tilt our phone to collect the coins. So you can see there is you can even save it, but you know it is asking you to get more gems, and if you hit on yes, you need to buy these packs from its store. So yesterday when I was playing this game, I was not required to buy something from the store. Instead I could just resume it by hitting on save me button. That has been pretty fixed in this update, as you can see right now. That means that this game is kind of based on premium model. That means it is trying to make certain money, of course. And yesterday I even encountered one more problem, that the game I was not able to exit the game from anywhere. There was no exit option. Even pressing on the back button, I was not able to exit the game. But today everything is working, but we can't actually resume the game without buying those gems or without scoring additional points to get the gems. So you can see graphics, everything looks kinda very good. I mean, things have been more 3D like, and the gameplay has really, the visual appeal has really increased. Oh shit. Again, for resuming the game from the last point, you need to buy the gems, otherwise it won't resume. And when you go for buying the gems, you need to visit Play Store, and then you need to, of course, pay a certain amount. I think, yeah, it's charging me. So yesterday I was able to resume the game from the last point. Not now. You can run again. Let's check out the setting. Here we have the music, sound volume, visual quality, good, better, best. Let's try the best option. Now let's play again. So even after choosing the best option, it is not actually showing me any kind of lag. So if you have downloaded this game, if you are going to play this game, don't forget to try the best quality in the setting mode. Oh, that was a power up. Of course, they have tried to make this game more difficult from the Temple Run original game. And overall, since we don't have any new storyline or anything else like that, so it may get boring after a few days of playing. But the graphics appeal, the skinning, the texture has gone pretty good. Let's just you saw this Temple Run 2. Let's just compare this game with Temple Run 1, that is the earlier version of the game. Both games can be installed side by side on the same phone. You can run Temple Run as well as Temple Run 2. Yeah, when you launch Temple Run, it asks you to get the Temple Run 2. So those who prefer Temple Run 1, they can of course play this game as well as the newest version, that is Temple Run 2. So this was a quick review of Temple Run 2 and Temple Run and comparison with Temple Run game. But as you can see in Temple Run original game, I get to speed pretty much faster, and that's what I like because it makes the game more engaging, whereas in Temple Run 2 I don't feel that particular speed. Or is the game's frame rate low because of the setting that we did here, that is we chose the best quality option from the settings that might actually reduce the game frame rate. That's why I might not be able to feel the speed of running here because it actually feels very slow. Or maybe it will get to the speed later because I'm not been able to go ahead in this game. So yeah, now I'm able to resume this. That's because I have collected certain, of course I have played this game a few times, so that's why I'm able to now resume this from the. So this is pretty good. Actually you can resume this feature. Actually is more exciting because you don't need to play it from the beginning of the game. Oh no, I have actually used all my gems, so again it is prompting me to buy the gems from the Google Play Store. So anyways, this game is pretty good. It's worth upgrading and it has done a good job. The Temple Run team, the Magni Studio, has done a really good job. I hope they would bring a new story, certain new features, certain new power of kinds in the next iteration of this game. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, do subscribe to our channel and